hi again. You're from Zeta Chain, and Zeta Chain is a company that prioritizes the remote work. What do you think about the remote work in blockchain area?
Yeah, so I've been in blockchain since 2019. Well, first of all, my name is Denis, and I've been working on blockchain since 2019, and I've worked the whole time remotely. So I think this is a huge boost to productivity, to be honest. And like during the year when we couldn't travel, nothing really has changed since we were remote. I mean, sometimes it's great to be able to catch up with everyone in person. That's why I think events like this are really special, because they allow everyone to meet in the same place, share ideas, and listen to each other and kind of discuss everything. So yeah, just kind of meeting in person periodically, but working remotely from anywhere you like is very productive for me personally.
We are now in very crowded event actually, and how did you find it?
Yeah, it's very busy, a lot of people, but that's the way you want it. The hall was packed when yesterday especially, but today as well. And I mean, yeah, it's great. I've met a lot of people. I know some of them I never met in person actually, even though this is my second Cosmoverse. But yeah, I'm really enjoying it so far.
It's great for you and the Zeta Chain, right?
Well, yeah, of course. It's always great for the company for people to be able to ask questions, because many people already know what Zeta Chain is. Now they have an opportunity to just come up and ask their questions or showcase their project, because a lot of projects are integrating with Zeta Chain, for example, and they want to learn more, or they have some technical questions, and we set up calls and exchange contact informations as you do on these events. So yeah, it's very cool.
Could you mention about Zeta Chain a little?
Yeah, absolutely. I should have started with that probably, but Zeta Chain is a Cosmos-based EVM blockchain focused on interoperability. It allows developers to send messages between EVM chains, but more importantly, it provides a platform for developers to build omni-chain contracts. And an omni-chain contract is a contract that you can call from any connected chain, including the ones that don't support smart contracts. So a developer can send tokens on Bitcoin, and that will trigger a contract call on Zeta Chain, and you can receive BTC as input and do all sorts of cool things with these BTC. You can mint tokens, you can swap BTC for something else, you can stake them, you can do lending, borrowing, anything you want. So it's a very future-proof platform, but you still build on Solidity, so it's very familiar development environment.
Actually, there are a lot of projects like this. And what is the difference between the Zeta Chain and the other projects?
Yeah, I think omni-chain contract architecture is the differentiating characteristic. Most other projects focus on message passing, which is fine, but omni-chain is going one step beyond that. So right now, we have a set of chains that Zeta Chain is connected to, but in the future the set will expand, and this will not require you to even upgrade your contract. Your contract will be just connected to more chains as time goes on. So this is very future-proof architecture, and it doesn't require developers to have contracts deployed on a bunch of different chains, right? And the interoperability between EVM chains and Bitcoin is really powerful, and it's all decentralized. So it's not like a bridge where you have multi-sig, right? It's much more reliable in this way.
And my last question is about the end of the 2024. What is your future goal for the Zeta Chain?
Yeah, so right now we're heading towards mainnet, so we're focused primarily on that. But beyond that, of course, expanding the feature set. I think there are so many things we can do with omni-chain contracts. I would probably focus after mainnet. I would focus on omni-chain NFTs and ensuring that it works with Bitcoin. That would be really cool. And I personally want to improve developer experience even further, even though right now we're in a pretty good state. We have so many tutorials, so many great content for developers, but I think there's limit, and I want to build better tools and make sure that omni-chain developers have the best tooling available for them.
Actually, I just want to add something. Why is omni-chain? Omni-chain
because the future will be in the future we'll have thousands of chains, and you as a developer need to prepare for that right now. So you need to choose your architecture wisely and make sure that what you build right now will be compatible with thousands of chains connected in the future. And I think coming from Cosmos, that's like you kind of see that already, right? There are more than 60 IBC enabled chains, and this is gonna grow, and we'll have more rollups, more EVM chains. And yeah, just connecting all of this in a way that is developer friendly, I think is really powerful.
Thank you.
Thank you.